Come on, come on, A. Come on, then. Come on, let's go on the cruise ship. I'm coming. Alexander, I'm driving the cruiser. Oh, A, H, you go on. Hey, come on. Yeah, let's wait for the rest of our friends. Alright, let's explore anyways. Woohoo, I'm going on. Yay. What? A snail? Why is a snail going on? I know, it's too slow. You can walk onto the cruise ship. Dang. Yep. Yeah, I do. Hey, come on the cruise ship. Let's get on, you snail. Come on, you. Come on, E. B, are you coming? No, remember? Oh, you're the gate closer. Yes. That makes sure everybody gets on. Well, hey, I make sure everybody gets on. Yeah. Tell you to, come on. Yeah, this is kind of fun. Say, come on. Come on, say before I close it, please. Come on, why? Come on. Go on. Well, guys, I guess we're gonna leave. Wait, they're still waiting for some passengers, you know. I'm coming with. Oh, I first said you. You said no first. Yeah, I kind of changed my mind. Okay. Yay! Okay, guys, what do you have to do now? Everybody, back up! Back up right now! Back up, everybody! Back from the cruise ship gate. Okay, guys, this is so cool. Back up, everybody! Listen, back up! Okay, there we go. Let's do it. There we go, guys. Come on, let's do it. Back up, guys. Guys, I don't know. I need to make sure everything's off. There we go. Now, we're here. Look how far away we were from the town. Look, now we're on the water. Yeah, guys. So cool, we're on the water now, guys. Yeah, we're on the water. Yes, we're on the water, guys. Yay. Mind of taking the elevator. No way, remember the last time it was crazy? Yeah, but this one is not crazy, I think. Well, let's go in. Oh, guys, this is so good. And think a little bit. Guys, we're going, guys. We're going down. Floor 8. Okay, guys, let's go on. Okay, guys, right here. Floor. Wait, what? No, I didn't get back in the elevator. Ah! Wait, what? It says it doesn't want to take us. Looks like one of the elevators. Well, what about the other one? I forgot. Well, anyways, guys, we're leaving the town. You see? Look, guys. Hi. Look. Remember what's there? Like right here. And then move. Yay! How about the... Hello, guys. Today we have two new Squishmallows. We have this one at the back and this one. Hey guys, are they pretty cool? If you like the video, it's cool. All you have to do to get our next video is to like, subscribe, and hit that like button. Guys, I love you. Okay, now guys, we're moving. Yay! Yeah, we're moving. Oh yay, we're moving. Look at the Eiffel Tower. Yeah, now we're going. Wow, what a beautiful view. Oh, sunshine. Look, it's moving. Look, we're moving. Bye bye, guys. Be aware of you so much. Look, we're moving, guys. Whoa. Look, it's Town Square. I'm in Hero Town here. Let's go Hero Town. Our towns go Hero Town. Yep, now we're going. Really miss Hero Town. Okay, come on in. Come on. I'm moving up. Oh no, oh no. I got you, buddy. Oh no, we're moving. Okay, there we go. I saved you. Thanks, I'll never do that again. Okay, that was not good. What in the world happened? What in the world happened, guys? Everybody make sure to sit down. We have a little bump here. Wait, is that Ann? Yep, that's me. Yep, that's me. Hello guys, I'm driving the cruise ship. Now let's turn left. I'm supposed to turn left now, guys. I'm turning left. Whoa. Turn right. Whoa. City. I'll miss you. City. Well, let's enjoy the fun. Let's enjoy the fun. Yeah, look at that. What an awesome view it is. Oh, what an awesome view. Yes, I guess it is. Yeah, guys. Soon if we go, soon. Yes, I tell. Hey? If this video hits 1 million likes, if this video hits 100 likes, I will ride a horse. I'm not kidding. I'm not kidding. I'm not. Yeah, blah, blah, blah. Blah, 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 blah. Nice. Let's go super fun. Like, take the elevator. Let's take the elevator. Elevator, here we go.